Unbelievable reason. Mercy Aigbe revealed the reason behind her marriage with Kazeem Adeoti. If you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. Nollywood actress Mercy Aigbe recently opened up about her decision to marry popular movie marketer Kazeem Adeoti, known professionally as Adekas. In an interview on Nollywood on Radio, Aigbe revealed that her marriage to Adeoti, whom she wed as a second wife in January 2022, was primarily influenced by their shared professional ambitions and vision for the film industry. Aigbe highlighted the benefits of being married to someone within the same industry, emphasizing how their collaboration is key to achieving their goal of creating a thriving production empire. One of the reasons I got married to him is that we are both in the same industry. Together, we are building a production empire. I just felt I needed someone to collaborate with in the industry, and it is a good thing that he understands it too. Combining our strengths, the future looks promising, she shared. The marriage, which marked Aigbe's third, has been a subject of public interest and controversy. Fans and critics alike have voiced opinions about her decision to become a second wife. The union also sparked conflicts with Adeoti's first wife, Funsho, who recently barred Adeoti from attending her 50th birthday celebration. Despite the scrutiny and public drama, Aigbe remains focused on the partnership she shares with Adeoti, expressing optimism about the future they are building together in Nollywood. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification for more updates like this. Also, don't forget to comment your thoughts in the comment section.